Hi guys, this video is about my new Vim configuration, neovim. It's very useful and beautiful. Now I will show you how I use my configuration to write Go and Python and React. You can use it in my GitHub. This is my GitHub. You can find my configuration neovim in there. Now there is English for you. My English is not very well, so I will show you how to use it to write Python, Go, React. Now I added a Python field. Print. I got this. You can let go. Now this is my new Vim configuration. If you like it and you want to use it, you can find it in my GitHub, and this is how to install and some structure, some plugins in my new Vim. If you have some problem, you can find me in here. Thanks for watching.